Kharkiv has been leveled by Russian weapons, from FPVs and Iskander-M to Tornado-S systems. What exactly has Russia destroyed? Follow the story of its devastation, step by step. Under the dark skies over the Kharkiv region, another wave of Russian military attacks shook the battlefield with remarkable precision and technological power. Backed by advanced weaponry and coordinated tactics, Russian forces launched a series of operations that demonstrated their dominance in both air and ground warfare, targeting key points in Ukraine's defensive infrastructure. The first event showcased the skill of FPV drone operators from the Sever Task Force Group. With agility and cutting-edge technology, they succeeded in destroying a Ukrainian armed forces observation post in the Kharkiv region. This post served as the eyes and ears of the Ukrainian troops, functioning as a surveillance hub that provided critical intelligence on enemy movements. Its destruction not only eliminated a vital source of information, but also weakened Ukraine's coordination capabilities in defense. Furthermore, in the Sumy region, the heavy drone known as Baba Yaga, which had long been a threat and a disruption to Russian operations, was also neutralized. Baba Yaga, known for its ability to carry heavy payloads and its wide flight range, had earned a reputation as a fearsome aerial weapon. However, its battlefield performance did not live up to that reputation when compared to Russian drones. The effectiveness of Russia's FPV drone operators demonstrated how the fusion of technology and human skill could effectively overcome such threats. Next, in the Kharkiv region, the crew of the Tornado-S multiple launch rocket system, or MLRS, from the Zapad force group demonstrated its power. The Tornado-S is an advanced rocket system capable of launching salvos of rockets with high accuracy and devastating explosive power. In this attack, Ukrainian ammunition and weapons depots were the primary targets. Ammunition depots are the logistical heart of the military, storing explosives and munitions that are vital for sustaining combat operations. By destroying these depots, Russian forces effectively cut off Ukraine's ammunition supply, hindering their long-term combat capability. The Tornado-S, with its ability to fire large-caliber rockets in a short period, proved to be a highly strategic weapon in this operation, showcasing how modern artillery technology can change the dynamics of warfare. The peak of the Russian airstrike occurred at the Chuhuiv military airfield in Kharkiv, where the crew of the Iskander-M operational tactical missile system launched a precision strike on a launch site for Ukraine's long-range fixed-wing UAVs. The Iskander-M is one of Russia's prized weapons, with a range of up to 500 kilometers and the ability to carry powerful warheads. This missile is designed to penetrate enemy defenses with high accuracy, targeting strategic assets such as command centers, ammunition depots, and other critical military infrastructure. In this strike, 6 UAV launchers, 8 motor vehicles, and around 30 Ukrainian kamikaze drones were completely destroyed. This destruction not only reduced Ukraine's reconnaissance and airstrike capabilities, but also significantly disrupted their combat operations. Long-range fixed-wing UAVs are vital tools for Ukraine, providing surveillance and strike capabilities that are difficult to track. By eliminating this UAV fleet, Russia asserted its air dominance while also undermining Ukraine's overall combat effectiveness. In the Izium region of Kharkiv province, a US-made M1150 assault breacher vehicle, one of the key tools used by Ukrainian forces to clear mines and explosives, was successfully destroyed by a Russian armed forces Lancet drone, which is armed and capable of autonomously detecting and striking targets. The Lancet, an attack drone equipped with advanced automation capabilities, is able to carry out precision strikes against moving targets. The successful destruction of this mine-clearing vehicle demonstrates the effectiveness of integrating drones and artillery in modern warfare. By eliminating Ukraine's ability to clear mines, Russia is slowing the movement of Ukrainian forces and increasing the safety of its own troops. The Russian Ministry of Defense also released footage showing how Russian forces, supported by artillery and attack UAVs, neutralized Ukrainian vehicles and firing positions in Kharkiv. Following this, assault units proceeded to clear buildings that had previously been held by the Ukrainian armed forces. The operation successfully liberated Stroyevka, a strategic area that serves as a key point in controlling the region. The use of attack UAVs and artillery in this clearing operation demonstrated the synergy between technology and tactics, maximizing combat effectiveness. The attack UAVs provided real-time reconnaissance and precision strikes, while the artillery delivered powerful blasts capable of destroying enemy defensive positions. This combination proved crucial in reclaiming territory that had previously been contested. It didn't stop there. Iskander missiles once again demonstrated their superiority by destroying a Ukrainian command post in Kharkiv. A command post is the central hub for military operations, where troops organize strategy, communication, and coordination between units. The destruction of this post caused disorganization and confusion within Ukrainian ranks, weakening their ability to respond to attacks and coordinate defenses. With its precision and destructive power, the Iskander has proven to be a highly strategic weapon for targeting the command centers of the Ukrainian armed forces, cutting off the essential chain of command and control in modern warfare. The role of Russian ballistic missiles, UAVs, and artillery in these operations cannot be underestimated. UAVs provide intelligence advantages and strike capabilities that are difficult to match, allowing Russian forces to attack with high precision while minimizing risks to personnel. Meanwhile, modern artillery systems like the Tornado-S and Iskander-M deliver massive explosive power capable of destroying strategic targets in a short amount of time. These weapons, the result of continuous advancements in Russian military technology, have proven effective even against NATO and Ukrainian equipment deployed in the area. In a challenging battlefield, the Russian forces' success in neutralizing observation posts, ammunition depots, UAV fleets, mine-clearing vehicles, and enemy command centers highlights their dominance in technological and strategic warfare. Russia's pride weapons such as the Iskander-M, Tornado-S, FPV drones, and Lancet drones are not just tools of destruction, but also symbols of military power and sophistication that can shift the course of battle. With every measured and coordinated strike, Russian forces demonstrate that modern warfare is not just about troop numbers, but about technological sophistication and the ability to effectively integrate various weapon systems. These successes not only disrupt enemy operations, but also strengthen Russia's position in this complex conflict, affirming that modern, well-organized military power is the key to winning today's battles. All of this raises questions about Ukraine's strategy and the much-lauded Ukrainian and NATO weapons. Where have they gone? If they are not being used effectively, are we left only with glowing claims from Western media? That's all for today, and thanks for watching.